Every second counts when you're behind the wheel. 4 seconds of microsleep sends your car the length of a football field. Going 20 hours without sleep is as dangerous as driving drunk. Each year, drowsy driving causes over 320,000 crashes, over 100,000 injuries, and nearly 6,500 deaths. Fatigue isn't just risky, it's deadly. Hi, I'm Pragati Kanatur, founder and CEO of Snooze Control, an advanced driver seat system designed to detect drowsiness and prevent accidents before they happen. Snooze Control uses a multi-sensor approach to keep drivers alert. Our seat uses PPG sensors to detect tiny fluctuations in blood flow. These subtle changes in heart rate then help us identify emerging fatigue. Force-sensitive resistors are sensors that change the electrical resistance when pressure is applied. They track how the driver's weight shifts, revealing erratic movements that might indicate drowsiness. Our system's inertial measurement unit tracks both linear motion using accelerometers and rotation using gyroscopes. These detect subtle posture shifts, tilts, and erratic movements, key signs of reduced alertness like head nodding or unstable seating. A low-power microcontroller, specifically the ARM Cortex-M series, processes raw data using Kalman filtering and machine learning models to assess fatigue in real time. When drowsiness is detected, it instantly triggers high-torque vibration motors in the seat, delivering an immediate physical wake-up cue to restore driver alertness. Designed for seamless integration, the system draws power from the standard 12-week car system and communicates via the CAN bus. Its modular design allows for easy installation in new and existing cars, while its mass-produced automotive-grade components ensure durability, affordability, and widespread adoption. The drowsy driving market is stuck in a red ocean, crowded with companies relying on AI dashcams and loud alarms. At first, these solutions may seem helpful, but the reality is vastly different. Cameras intrude on one's privacy. Drivers feel monitored and uncomfortable, especially in personal vehicles. They also struggle with low-light conditions and accessories like sunglasses, leading to false positives. When the system does detect possible fatigue, the solution is often a loud, ear-splitting alarm. Instead of gently waking up a drowsy driver, it can startle them, potentially causing abrupt swerves or panic. Maintaining these setups is no small task either. Mounting cameras, wiring them correctly, and performing regular recalibrations creates a constant burden. The buyer utility map exposes these hidden pain points. Traditional solutions focus on analyzing the driver's behavior after fatigue has already set in, often neglecting user privacy and comfort. Snooze Control, on the other hand, enters a blue ocean by detecting and preventing fatigue at its root. No cameras, no invasive surveillance, and no guesswork. Using our asset strategy curve, we can plot the key factors of competition. Most companies cluster around the same high points, but Snooze Control's curve looks radically different. We eliminate intrusive cameras and jarring alarms. We reduce the complexity of installation, cutting down on false alerts. We raise detection accuracy by using physiological signals like heart rate and seat pressure. And we create a solution that is integrated, cost-effective, and proactive, alerting drivers with gentle, immediate haptic feedback. By shifting the focus from monitoring the driver to truly protecting them, our approach makes the competition completely irrelevant. But what about the market? For that, we have to consider the 3 tiers of non-customers. First, we have our soon-to-be non-customers, drivers aware of fatigue detection but frustrated with the current options. They want real protection without all the hassle. Then, we have our refusing non-customers, commuters, at-risk drivers, and businesses avoiding current systems due to cost, complexity, or privacy concerns. And finally, we have unexplored non-customers, those who have never even considered fatigue detection, either because they are unaware of the risks or haven't seen its relevance to them. As safety concerns grow, this group is beginning to recognize the need for proactive solutions. Snooze Control isn't just targeting a niche, we're redefining the entire market, and we will be successful. The future of automotive safety is shifting, and Snooze Control is leading the way in a multi-billion-dollar industry. With government regulations pushing for advanced driver assistance systems and insurers offering discounts for safety tech, demand is rising fast. Our opportunity is massive. Car manufacturers are looking for cost-effective ways to enhance vehicle safety, creating a $450 million OEM market. Meanwhile, millions of existing vehicles lack modern safety features, unlocking a $1 billion aftermath opportunity. Fleet operators, ride-sharing companies, and insurers have financial incentives to prevent drowsy driving, fueling a $600 million fleet market and a $125 million rideshare segment. With a conservative estimate of $2.1 billion in annual revenue, Snooze Control isn't just an innovation, it's the next big thing in road safety. Also, with adoption growing year over year, we're looking at a $4.1 billion opportunity within the next 5 years. Enter an era where your seat isn't just a cushion, but instead a smart co-pilot committed to keeping you alert and secure. Choose Snooze Control, smart seats for safer streets.